Assalamu alaikum and hello. Welcome to Asian Watch Collector. I'm your host Abdullah Wazir and today we are having a diver watch from brand Seiko. Yes, from a Seiko which is a Japanese brand. The reference number to this model is or to this specific watch is SRP779K1. In this short video, we will be having a unboxing and first impression of this beautiful timepiece. So without wasting our time, let's move towards the video and see how it looks in real and how it looks on wrist as well.